episode of Upskill Trading Academy. This is your man Jeff. So we want to go over today's stock. So we're looking at Mara. We're looking at Mara, and Mara is a continuation from yesterday. Yesterday we entered into Mara and ended up winning. We entered in at around, and let's just get a little close up here of yesterday. So yesterday Mara went up from the open and had a downward continuation and then rose up during midday around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So from the beginning, we entered Mara at 41.75, $41.75, and it rode us all the way up to $42.10. So that was Mara, and then like we said, in the middle of the day, it went went down and went back up once again, and it went all the way up to the price of $42.86. So that's the high of yesterday. So we want to piggyback off the high of yesterday, and as you can see, we've set up our charts here for today. So this is a second day continuation trade that we're getting involved in again. Now Mara has the catalyst going, so we have the catalyst on our back like the wind. The catalyst is speaking of why Bitcoin related and Ethereum related stocks are moving. Shares of several cryptocurrency related stocks are moving higher in sympathy with price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we have the catalyst in our back. Right now it is up 4%, and right now today is Thursday the 2nd, September 2nd, and it's about 8:45 now. So we have the catalyst in our back. It's up about 5%. It did not finish 25% above its ATR range of yesterday, because after that high it went back down again. However, now it blasted above the high of yesterday, and it's actually the high of the pre-market is right here, as you can see, $43.62. So we want to take the high of yesterday. We want to be aware of that, which is for here, yesterday's high. I have it marked here, $42.86. I see from there I see a pre-market resistance, which we want to make support because we want to play this going up. So we want to have this as a resistance, a pre-market resistance here at around $43.36. And as you can see, what it makes a resistance for us is the touches, about 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. This white one right here, 5, 6, 7, about 8. We have about 8 touches at 43.36. So we want to make that our pre-market support for us. As we go higher, we want to take that high of pre-market, and we at 43.62, and we want to enter in at 43.65. Now, to be more conservative, we can enter in at 43.70. We want Mara to break that pre-market high and show us that it's strong enough. Show us that it's strong enough. As you can see right now, it's above VWAP, and it's holding above VWAP. So it's holding in about a range here of yesterday's high and the range of the pre-market high. So approximately about 80-cent range here. And it's staying within that range, which is great. We expect it to blast off. We expect it to blast off at the open, and we want to catch that blast off. We have a weak resistance. We see a weak resistance at 44.14, and what shows us this is, if I go on my trading view here, I think I have this is Mara here, and what shows this little weak support we want to take a look at, and this horizontal yellow line here is where it's at, or where the high of pre-market is at, and we see weak this weak resistance at about this candlestick right here. So this candlestick right here is what's about showing us, that prior, a little weak resistance here at about right there. So if and when it breaks this weak resistance, we expect it to go up to 44.30, 44.35 and beyond. So how are we playing this here? We're looking for a blast off at pre-market. We want to enter in at 43.65. Our stop loss, we want to risk that support of pre-market. So we want to risk about 30 cents. This move, from this move to this move, is about 60 or so. So we're risking, it's about 50 or 60. So we're risking 1R. We expect it to go up to even to 44.30, 44.35-ish and keep on going. So about 2R, hopefully. And that's what we're risking. Now, we want to see a trend setting early, and all this is, this is our expectations of what the stock will do. All right, so we want to hold until we can see an exit, or it's showing us an exit. Okay, what we have here is our slow stochastic showing us here on the indicator. Perhaps it will ride above the 9 EMA, perhaps it'll ride above the 20, but we want to just focus on price action. We want to focus on price action and identify what's really going on. We want to see higher lows, definitely want to see higher highs, and we'll take it from there. We'll see what happens. So we have a lot of good things riding for us on this Mara stock. It's a continuation from yesterday, like we've said. And we'll just keep an eye on it. The relative strength is above 1 at the moment, where it closed as a relative strength above 1. Had about 30% puts if you want to deal with options. And if we're dealing with options, let's go to our option chain here. This is our option chains of Tastyworks here. And what we have here is volume, open interest. So the volume, I believe after 8:30 it shuts off. However, we know the volume of it at the money here was about 14,000. It was about 14K, and here at 43 strike price, $43 strike price, it was about 13,000. Okay, and in the money was about 4,000. So as you can see, the spreads is about 5 cents here, being that the most volume was found here and thereafter. But we want to remain in these two at the least. $42 strike price, $41 strike price. Okay, and let's look at the delta just to make sure. And the delta for Mara is excellent. As you can see, it's not even in the money, it's at the money, and you have a 68 delta. Okay, so 68 cents for every dollar, and 68% chance of it becoming in the money. It's not even in the money and it has a 68. So this is awesome. Okay, and even 43 has a 55. So we can choose either one of these, because this is above 50. We want to see above 50. We want to give ourselves the above 50% chance of winning here, or getting into the money. So what will happen if we open up and see that the $43 strike price has the most volume? Perhaps we'll take it. Okay, and we'll take it. And as you can see, the mid of the 49 and 43 will be about 51. Okay, 51 cents or $51 per contract. And the mid for $42 strike price will be about 79 cents or $79 as you times it by 100. Okay, so I mean, great stock as far as the options. Yes, Mara moves. Okay, the relative volume is good. It's above 5% at pre-market. It's staying at that range. And it's, as you can see, it's even moving upward above VWAP. So, we take the pros and the cons, and it's a lot of pros here. Okay, so we'll see what happens as market open. This is our stock of the day, Mara, and we want to watch it for the whole day. Okay, and hopefully we come out with a W times 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this is another episode of Upskill Trading Academy presented by your man, the man, Jeff, and we'll see what happens. All right. All right. Catch you later. Okay, traders. This is Upskill Trading Academy presented by your man, Jeff. After our pre-market session, you can see the outcome of Mara. Just as we predicted from the jump, Mara went down, didn't go below our yesterday's high of 42.86. However, went down, shot back up, went above our entry here at $43.65. We wanted to wait until the next candle confirmed. The next candle, it went down red, hit right at, take a look at that. It hit right at the pre-market high, which we said we wanted that to be resistance, right? It hit right at pre-market's high. See how important that is? And shot right up, right past our entry. Right past our entry. So we got in here. We got in at about here. It rolled all the way till that point. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? To that point of resistance we said and we marked at 44.14. It closed right there. Went above it, but closed right at 44.14. And that's where we got out. Okay, that's where we got out. We got out at 44.14 with about 5 seconds left till that candle ended or finished forming. We got out. We took that approximately 50, 55, 60 cent move. All right, but not too much, just 3 contracts, 300 shares, and got in and got out. Okay, for a quick scalp is what they call it, or what you would say. Just a quick 1-minute scalp. Let's see the results of what we have here. Okay, so as you can see, we got in at $1.08 per contract, just 3 contracts, September 8th, September 3rd. At 9:31, 25 seconds, and got out at 9:32 with about 4 seconds left to the next candle formed. Okay, and at that time the contracts cost $1.24. Okay, so we just made a quick $54 for that move. Okay, with just 3 contracts. All right. And so we just got in and got out. Now, we weren't planning on getting in and getting out. However, as we had our other monitors monitoring it on the 2-minute candlestick, 2-minute daily, 2-minute chart, excuse me, we seen that it looked as though it was coming down. It looked as though it was coming down, so we didn't go about taking it for this move either, and it was well above the Bollinger Bands, which we had on another monitor. So we decided to take that 1 minute, get in and get out. Now, will it go for the remaining of the day? Will it go? Will it go above this? Yeah, it looks like as though it will retest it again. Okay, as you can see, it never till right now, okay, till now it has never gone below that yesterday's high. So it went up, it went down, so it is around now 943. So the trend is not yet set. There's nothing set yet. It's just going above VWAP. It looks like it's going to retest that 1444 and retest this high. So we're going to keep on continuing to take a look at it. We just wanted to make this quick video for everyone just to see how important price action and the levels are. Okay, got in, where we wanted to get in at 43.65. We told you why. We told you why we set this resistance here, and it closed right there. Okay, closed right there, and we got in and we got out. Made a quick win. Okay, so now we're going to continue to monitor as well as other stocks, but we just wanted to make that quick video. Thank you. May we all be prosperous. See you on the next one.